After 10 successful seasons of PSL, finally PSL 11, for PSL 11 we have the first players auction. हमारी पहली PSL की प्लेयर्स ऑक्शन कंडक्ट की गई है और क्या कमाल की ऑक्शन हुई है। बहुत से ऐसे प्लेयर जिनके बारे में सोचा जा रहा था दे विल गो फॉर वेरी हाई प्राइसेस एंड दे वेंट वेरी लो, और बहुत से ऐसे नाम जिनके बारे में किसी ने तसव्वुर भी नहीं किया था एंड देयर प्राइसेस वेंट इनसेन एंड दे वेंट at very good prices. I'll be talking about four key bids of this auction. First of all, that is none other than Khwaja Mohammad Nafe, who was sold to Quetta Gladiators for 6.5 crore. उनकी बेस प्राइस थी 1.1 करोड़, a very low base price for Khwaja Nafe, but the way teams has responded to his players auction, it was amazing. It was completely insane. Every team came inside and bet for Khwaja Nafe. 1.1 करोड़ से 6.5 करोड़ तक की बेड उनकी चली गई, जो कि टोटल तकरीबन 650% का गेन ऐसा और किसी प्लेयर में नहीं हुआ. बट द पोटेंशियल ही कैरीज, द इंटेंट ही हैज, he completely suits for this T20 format. He deserves that such kind of reputation to be in the auction. Second, we have Rana Fahim. You people know how important Rana Fahim is for Pakistan team. क्या मजे का all-rounder है. When it comes to bowling, he always deliver. When it comes to betting, he's the one who could smash the ball out of the ground easily. Recently he has won the match against Netherlands, single-handedly match. He won it. He's a brilliant player. The moment his name popped up for the auction, teams went insane, and he went for 8.5 crore. Yes, I'm not talking about Naseem Shah. It was obvious for Naseem Shah, but the way teams has taken interest in Fahim Ashraf, it was very amazing. And the third one, none other than Lahore Qalandars. Their loyalty is commendable. बाकी सब टीम्स को कुछ ना कुछ लाहौर से सीखना चाहिए. They were up for any battle when it comes for the player auction of their core players. हारिस राउफ और फखर जमान के लिए उनके खिलाफ कोई भी आ जाता, कितनी भी प्राइस पे चला जाता. They were there, they were sitting there and they were ready for any battle. Though Mohammad Rizwan gave them a tough competition in Fakhar Zaman, but no, it was Lahore who dominated that complete auction when it comes to retain their loyal players, their core players. And this was the first auction ever happened for the PSL. And no doubt, this is going to be a new era of PSL. PSL 11 is going to be an amazing event.